Yeah, when Sonia's doing that, it's making me melt.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Do like I do, honey. Look at vision. It makes it easy. Okay.
Yeah, when Sonia's doing that, it's making me melt.
Okay, I'm looking at vision.
I have to turn off. I have to turn off. Okay, all right. Ladies, this stuff works.
Okay, so then vision, you tell me if it works on you, okay?
And don't forget, you gotta
Okay.
tilt your, because we're not in business. We're not in business now, because that's when the head tilt. I want them to see the longness of the neck and just a stroke, right? Like you just did. Oh, that's beautiful. Click, 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 honey. Okay, go ahead.
Oh God. Okay, I gotta eat some chocolate to just get my mind off Sonia's neck. Yeah, that stuff works, Sonia.
Okay, go ahead, Sonia. I want all the ladies.
I can't look at the camera anymore.
Okay, go ahead, Sonia. Go ahead.
If I see a woman that I'm intrigued by, and I want to approach her and do that magic that one of the female volunteers did on me that make me melt, what is the male version of that?
So there's a technique we're going to call recognize and acknowledge. And so when you see that woman that catches your eye and you're attracted to, you don't want to do this, fellas. You don't want to do this. Go like this. Look. It's too soon. Okay. That's too soon. That's too soon. It's like past the courting stage, baby, let's just go to the round. No, that's too soon. So you don't want to do that. But what you want to do, you want to recognize her. Okay. And this is very important for the men. And ladies, this is a secret that really all men want. And they'll never verbalize it because that's not how they operate. And that's what we're going to teach them. But I want you to look at the woman. And watch this, fella. So you're in a situation, you capture the woman of your eye, and there are other women in the room, okay? Watch this. So a man, scan the room, scan the room, scan the room. You looked at her, and then you're looking at her, you're leaning in, and then you do the slow smile. And then you nod, and you look away. Don't hold the glass. Then you look away. Now watch what I'm saying. When you look away, and you come back to her, you smile again. And then you nod. What did I just do? There's a room full of women. I caught her eye. I made her feel special. I looked around the room, and there's a singer by the name of Patti LaBelle, and there's a line in her song that says, I've been looking around, all around, and you were here all along. So the man just looked around the room, and he's back to you. And he smiles, and then looks away. Now, but ladies, when he smiles, he recognized you. That's called recognition. You must acknowledge it back quickly. That's the key. Acknowledge it back quickly. So when he looks around, because you're checking him out too, because he's looking good too. You're going, hi. He's looking good too. And then when he comes back, then ladies, this is how you do. Watch this. When you acknowledge, just like saying, it's okay. It's okay. You're going like this. Notice I said, yes. Don't go like this. That's dismissal. You're going like this, and then you look away. Okay, but that's the thing, fellas. I want you, because don't do the stare. Some men I've been out to the club. Some men go like this. That makes a woman feel uncomfortable, because now we're getting not into a gaze, we're getting into a stare. Anything over 4 seconds is too uncomfortable. That's why you look away. All right.
So Linda, what about, after the first look away, what if you lose her eye contact? What if she's glancing somewhere else?
Okay, so if she loses her eye contact, then you do the stroll. And the stroll is you're walking in her sight of view. You don't walk over there to her. So now let's say we're across the room, catch your eye. And then you look away, and then I'm going, hey, Sandy, hey, Astea, girl, we're going out. Come, here's a seat for you. And then I missed it. And then next thing you know, you come back around, say the bar is right there, whatever, and you're right in my vision level. Now that sends a message. Oh, he's coming after me.
Got it.
Men don't do that. They're just waiting for her to look around to catch the attention. Honey, go out and get it. Go out and get that thing, but do it in a way that it's a dance. It's so seductive.
I love that. I love that tip.